Bye.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe, and all those who come every single week to watch my videos and still haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I know I have been gone for a very long time. I had end of semester examinations, I had my projects to work on, and then some other stuff that I needed to do, and I really couldn't have any distractions because YouTube is something that takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. So like, yeah, but I'm done now and I'm back for good. Like, I'm back, and I hope you guys forgive me. Not like you guys even noticed that I was gone. And alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a very cheap skincare routine. Like, literally everything that you need is at home. You don't need like all those fancy products and everything. Let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through what I used, and what you can see here is the pure African black soap, which looks like this. Then a coffee scrub, which I made from coffee, sugar, honey, and coconut oil. And you're also going to need some ground oats. Like, you just make it into a powder and then mix it. I'll mix it with water later. You see later in the video. Some cotton wool, and I actually forgot to add apple cider vinegar, but yeah, you need some apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I started by rinsing my face and then cleansing it with the African black soap. So I did this for about a minute, but I highly recommend that you do not overdo it because black soap has a tendency to dry out your skin, especially if you have dry skin like mine. So then I dried my face with using it like a clean towel, and you're supposed to make sure that your towels are clean because dirty towels can cause your skin to break out. Then I go in with the coffee scrub to exfoliate my face, and there are so many benefits of using a coffee scrub, which include improved blood circulation and skin texture, and it also gives a glow to your face, make it more youthful and give it like a radiant appearance. After scrubbing, I just let it sit on my face for about 10 minutes and proceeded to exfoliate my lips to make it very soft. Okay, so at this point I was just loving how soft my skin was. Okay, so for my face mask, I'm using the ground oats that you saw earlier in the video, and I'm mixing it with water. It's very basic, very simple, and I left it on my face for about 10 minutes. So what oats does is to soothe itchy, dry and irritated skin, and as you all know, my skin is very dry, and it's great for acne prone skin. So at this point, I could feel my skin was very tight and very soft. Like, I was so shook. So I just went ahead and rinsed it off. Okay, so before I forget, there are two things that you can do to prevent your skin from breaking out. And the first one is to avoid touching your face. It's very important. And then to also change your beddings as often as you can. So change your pillowcase, change your bed sheets to prevent your skin from breaking out. So I took some cotton wool and poured some diluted apple cider vinegar on it. And the reason I diluted the apple cider vinegar is that the undiluted one will probably be too harsh on your face. So because like it burns, like it really burns, so you have to mix it with some water and then apply it. But then it will only burn if you have some sort of open sores on your face. So what you see me using here is just a mixture of black seed oil and vitamin E oils, not any ordinary products. Knockout. You win. Then you can go ahead and use any moisturizer of your choice. So yeah, that's basically it, and this is what my skin is looking like after.
Choose your fighter.
I almost forgot to mention, you have to make sure you're eating right. You're not eating things that will cause like acne to appear on your face. Like, you can just be there and then pimples will just be appearing on your face. Things that you know that are not good for you, you understand? I know things that are not good for me, but I still eat them because
this life I can't keep myself.
Anyways, a second thing to also do is to drink a lot of water. But know what is right for your body. Know what your body needs. Anytime you're thirsty, drink water. Anytime you think of water, drink water. But just know what your body needs. Tip number 3, mind your own business. Period. It's something everybody says, but like no one actually does. I have problems I have to fix, problems I have to deal with. I can't come and be adding your load to my problems. I can't come and be putting your business on top of my business that I can't even handle, you understand? I have not even handled, you understand? So just mind your own business and your skin is going to be flawless. You can't be stressing about things that are not relevant, are not important to you. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.